Stick around, kids, for the Nitwits. Today, the Nitwits match wits with Evil Father Nature. Stay with us. The Nitwits will be right back.
In these times of crime and supervillains, there are not enough superheroes actively engaged in crime prevention. At the mandate of the people, superhero Tyrone has come out of retirement to accept this challenge. Faster than a butterfly, he spans city blocks in record time. Agile as a caterpillar, he scales tall buildings as long as his sneakers hold. Powerful as a bulldog, he engages offenders of the law in combat, usually coming out very tired. Relentlessly determined, our superhero Tyrone, with the aid of Elmo, his cane, and Gladys, his wife, is now accepting for a limited time selected crime-fighting assignments. With such unselfish dedication to the elimination of evil, it is obvious that though once retired, the now active superhero Tyrone is once again the guardian of the people.
To a superhero sure has its drawbacks.
How's that, my little artichoke blossom?
All we ever do is go on safety patrols of the city.
Oh, well, don't knock it. Get you out of the house.
You never take me to romantic places. All we do is sail around looking for trouble.
I never promised you a rose garden.
You'd think you could at least take a day off and fly me to Tahiti or Zanzibar or somewhere exotic.
Exotic? What does that mean?
It means romantic.
Oh, well, then why don't you drop off at the city library and browse through the National Geographics?
How could you not live up to the promise you made my mother? You said you'd worship the ground I walked on.
Well, it didn't matter. She was hard of hearing anyway.
Move over, Tyrone. That duck wants to pass.
Oh, we'll let him go around. I was here first. Pushy duck.
Nature's feathered creatures have the right of way in the sky.
Oh, forgive me, my child bride. It slipped my mind.
Tyrone, did you notice that duck suddenly acting strange?
Well, maybe he saw another duck.
That duck stole my priceless diamond.
That duck is a thief.
How about that? A rubber duck.
Are you going to let that duck get away with that diamond?
Patience, my little apple cobbler. Perhaps the duck mistook the diamond for a piece of glazed petrified bread.
Tyrone, look up there.
Hey, come back with my wallet.
Did you see that?
I've heard of cat burglars, but that is ridiculous.
Oh, look, Tyrone, over there. Those ants are stripping that car.
Oh, I'm dreadfully sorry, my dear, but I'm busy watching those termites remove the door of that bank.
Those termites are robbing the bank.
Did you ever get the feeling that nature's little creatures have taken a turn for the worse? On the contrary, my fine bewildered friend, I, evil Father Nature, have perfected complete control over all Earth's crawling, flying, creeping, and what have you creatures. With a flip of a switch, I can make any creature do whatever I want them to do. And right now, I have this craving for getting rich. The diamond brooch. Good work, my little ducky-wucky. I'll let you know when I want your services again. No, nature has not taken a turn for the worse. It has taken a turn for the better. Better for me.
Whoever is behind this dastardly, dirty trick on nature and the citizens of this peace-loving community, beware, you're gonna get it. My Tyrone will track you down and put you in chains.
Ixnay on the threats, my dear. He may be dangerous.
Tyrone knows no fear. He'll follow you to the end of the earth.
That's going a little far.
Mark my word, you won't get away with this, whoever you are.
Oh, be quiet. I hated to do that. She kind of looked like my mother. Get that cookie dame's purse, Doc.
Well, don't just stand there, Tyrone. Do something.
I am doing something, my cookie crumb. I'm giving serious thought to leaving town till this thing blows over.
How can you say that? You can't just stand there and let some evil person perpetrate such a fiendish plot on nature's innocent little creatures and not do something. Hey, that dumb duck just swiped my purse.
Perhaps he mistook it for a doggy bag, my little peach seed.
Tyrone.
Oh, and then, on the other hand,
Fetch.
Sometimes I get the feeling that I'm being treated like a dog. All right, Duck, drop that purse. If you don't, I shall be forced into resorting to my superhuman tactics.
Superhuman tactics, eh? That's what he thinks.
You asked for it, Duck. You leave me no choice but to pour on the speed and overtake you. Oh, no, you know that's not fair. It's 2 against 1. I hope you are aware that it is against the law to protect a criminal. My fine buttered friends. Thank you to keep your remarks to yourself. Could be held as an accomplice, you know. I feel the need of a shower. Elmo, my trusty cane. All the soap feel really pretty. All right, Worm, don't play dumb with me. What do you know about this caper? Withholding information can get you in trouble, Worm. I could throw the book at you, Worm. Bookworm. I made that up just on the spot. That's very clever. Bookworm.
Ha! I think it's time the worm turns. The worm turns. Now that's a funny. What am I saying?
It's no use, Worm. Wherever you go, I'll be right behind you, haunting your every step. Crawl, kneel, whatever it is you do. Now, let go of my mustache. Now, come on. Now, watch the difference. Let go of my wrist. I'm a trainer. Oh, I hate picking on little guys.
That'll show him who's boss.
All right, I'll let you go this time, but just don't leave town. I may want to ask you further questions. Should be a leash law for worms like that.
Stay with us. The Nitwits will be right back.
Have no fear, good citizens of the community. I just know my Tyrone must be closing in on the evil person that has brought unlaw and disorder to the city. Nothing can stop Tyrone once he is on a case.
There ought to be a law against barbed wire fences. I hate to impose on you again, Elmo, my faithful cane. But could you help me out of this mess? I had something more gentle in mind. However, this is an emergency. Now, where could that duck have gone? Now there's a likely spot for a duck. A duck pond. I shall check it out. Aha! Now there's a suspicious-looking face if I've ever seen one. None of your ribbit, Frog. Have you seen a duck carrying a purse? Now don't play dumb with me. I know you're all in this together. So, that's the way you're gonna be, eh? Well, two can play at that game. Oh, no, you don't, Frog. Never let it be said that a superhero was outsmarted by a frog. Ah, gotcha. Like I said, never let it be said. Never let it be said that a superhero can't goof up. Nice pussycat. Sayonara. Aloha. He seems to have given me the slip. Don't get cute, Frog. It's obvious you're in this thing over your head, Frog. It's obvious I'm in this thing over my head. Gotcha. Thank you for the lift, Captain. It's nice to have a friend on your side, or as it is, under your feet. I can manage on my own from here. No use, Frog. You'll tell me where that duck went, or I'll... Oh, I believe it is once again time for the old umbrella parachute trick, Elmo, my trusty cane. Come on now, Elmo. This is no time to play stubborn. Open up. Better late than never. Oh.
I might have known you wouldn't get along without me.
Oh. On the contrary, my little macaroon. I proved that Frog was innocent.
Honestly, Tyrone, I don't know why you make such a big thing out of following one little duck.
Aha! But you must understand, my little peach seed. Following a duck isn't as easy as it's whacked up to be. Oh, what a clever line.
Didn't it ever dawn on you to use your cane radar, silly?
Oh, I was just about to suggest that myself.
I should have listened to Mama and married a plumber.
And missed out on all this high flying?
Some superhero you are. I have to do all your thinking for you.
Yeah, but who does all the dirty work?
I do.
Oh, I forgot.
Aha! You got the Cookie Dave's purse. Good. Why, this purse has nothing of value in it.
That's what you think, you smart Alec.
So, you lucked out and found my little hideout, did you?
Oh, yes. And now, if you'll promise to turn yourself over to the proper authorities, we'll be on our way.
Aha! Father Nature will never give up, especially to a couple of nobodies.
Nobodies? You call yourself Father Nature, but you're nothing but a crumb, making nature's little creatures do things against their will. So, I didn't have anything of value in my purse, huh? Well, we'll see about that.
The name on that slip of paper, that isn't, you know...
This is Poison Ivy calling numero uno. Come in, numero uno.
Numero uno?
Numero uno? Oh, no, not numero uno. Oh, not her. No.
That's right, numero uno. And if you don't hurry, I'll take care of him myself.
It's her. It's Mother Nature.
You know, it's not nice to mess around with Mother Nature.
Give it to him, Mother Nature.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't marry her daughter.
Easy does it. Hold it. No, don't, not again. Oh, wait. Don't, please. No, don't, please. Oh, wait.
This is some romantic place.
Well, that's the least I can do for your helping me, my little watermelon vine.
A park bench is not my idea of a romantic place.
I said it was the least I could do.
If Mama was here, she would tell you a thing or two, and so would I.
Yes, my dear, complaining in stereo.
By the way, I invited Mama to visit us for the weekend.
You do? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
Stay with us. The Nitwits will be right back.